Hello everyone, in this video I will show you some simple experiments like lighting up an LED, polarity detector and using a motor. These experiments are perfect if you are a beginner to electronics. Let's start the video. This is an LED. You can buy these in a nearby electronics store, or you can reuse an LED from an old broken electronic device that contains LED. It is used in 7-segment displays, decoration lights, and many other devices. LED stands for light emitting diodes. When electricity is given, it lights up, and it is much more efficient than incandescent lamps. Alright, now we are interested to light up an LED. An LED has two terminals. The long lead is plus or anode, and the short lead is minus or cathode. This type of LED requires around 3 volts to function. To get 3 volts, 2 of these cells are enough. One can provide 1.5 volts. Connecting 2 cells in series gives 3 volts. Now let's make the cell holder. Take a cardboard, then take 2 thin rectangular metals. Bend them and then connect one of these at the cardboard using glue. Now place the 2 cells like this and then connect the other rectangular metal piece there using glue. For the sides, cut 2 small pieces of cardboard and glue it there. Bend the metals slightly outwards and finally use a rubber band like this. And it's done. Let's check the voltage output using my voltmeter. Yeah, it is close to 3 volts. Nice. The next step is connect wires for each terminal of the power source. Use red wire for the positive terminal. You can also use cutters to cut wires and stripe them. Connect the wire to the positive terminal like this. Use black wires for the negative terminal. Now simply connect the power wires to the LED. Red wire to the plus terminal of LED and black wire to the minus terminal of LED. The LED glows perfectly, as you can see. An LED glows when we connect plus of the power source to the plus of LED and minus of the power source to the minus of LED. But what if we reverse the polarity, that is, connect plus to minus and minus to plus? This time the LED does not glow. It is because the LED is a diode. This way you can detect polarity of a power source, that is, find plus and minus of a power source. If the LED glows, we will come to know that the wire connected with the long lead of the LED is plus terminal and the other wire is minus terminal. This way you can detect polarity of a power source. This is a small DC motor. A motor is a device that rotates its shaft when power is supplied to it. This motor I have here can be used with the previously made power source. So let's connect. As you can see, the motor starts rotating. To see the rotation, let me put tap at the shaft. As you can see, it turns. A motor does not have plus-minus polarity. You can connect the power supply wires any way you like. An interesting thing to note here is that the direction of rotation of shaft of a motor depends on the polarity of the power source. See, in this motor, if I connect red to blue and black to yellow, the motor turns counterclockwise. But if I connect red to yellow and black to blue, the motor turns clockwise. This is amazing. If you use motor in a toy car, the car can be driven either forward or backward depending upon the polarity used. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.